Hello and welcome to Indian Codician. Today I'm going to show you an online tool timejet which is used to track your time in motion. So as you can see in the workflow design, there are different employees which can log into the tool and that data will get stored to the database, and a manager can retrieve the information of the employees. He can see the real-time status, what the employee is doing, and then also export the data to Excel. And this is the first page, uh, how we have to start using the tool. So I will show you how we have to do it. So first of all, we have to go to the homepage of deloyer.com/timejet, go to manager login and choose manager sign up. So this will be the manager under whom there will be different employees working. So let me just choose a manager as manager name is Shivam, and the manager email is you you have to enter the email. Please ensure that you enter a correct email, because when you reset your password, the email will be sent to this email ID. So now I will click on submit. Okay, password do not match. Okay, sign up success. Now a manager can log in. So let us also create some associates under this manager. So manager sign up is done. Now we have to do employee sign up. So we have to go to this link and now do employee login and sign up here. Okay, so one thing we have to notice over here, that we have to enter the same email ID that manager has used to sign up. So you can ask your manager what is the email ID he has used, so that your details will appear under his name. So here I have used manager. Let me just copy from here. Manager email. And if you enter wrong email, then it should prompt you. Correct. Now we have to enter the employee name. Employee name is Deepak Lohia. He is working under Shivam, and his email is employee@deepaklohia.com. Then I have to enter password, which I will use to sign up. Here also I have to ensure that I enter a correct email, because to reset the password, your link will be sent to this particular email. I click on submit. Great. Once you sign up the employee, then you can log in. So there can be different employees sign up. So let me just also sign up for one more employee here. So who is working under Deepak Lohia? Employee 2. So there are two employees working under Shivam, whose email ID is manager@deloyer.com. So let's go back to the presentation and see what he's saying. Okay, so we have done the sign up process. Now we go to employee login, and let us go to employee login now. Employee login. So here you have to enter the manager email, which we signed up for, manager@this one, and then my email is employee this one, and my password I will enter over here. Login. Sorry. So once you log in, you will see this particular screen, and first of all we have to select the activity. So there are 3 activities over here right now by default. We can also amend these activities, so I'll show you that later. So let me just choose a production, and I'm working on case ABC99, and I have to click on start. So once you click on start, then it will record the time over here, the start time. And once you are done with the activity, then you will click on stop. Once you click on stop, then there will be a prompt showing that this is the start time and stop time and total time which is being taken, which is showing 0. I have to wait a little now. So let me work now and then click on submit. So 20 seconds, I click on OK, and it has recorded the time here, the activity over here. If I go to reports, I will see the data here, and then I can also export to Excel. So let me just do one more activity over here. So I was on break, so we click on start, and let me just make it little layer and then click on stop. So it's for 2 minutes. Okay, so if I go to reports, I will see the break time is also there. Now obviously using logout, you can log out from here. So let me go back to the presentation. So this is how the employee login is working. Here every information is given, and now when you click on stop, this prompt will be shown, and you can export data to Excel using this button over here. This will export only your data. Okay, so now coming back to the manager, how a manager is going to see this data. So let me just log out from here and go to my manager link. So I'm just doing everything on a same screen, but in this automation will be like, for manager will be using only manager page. So let me just log in over here. So I forgot the password. So let me just reset it. So I have used the link to reset my password. Now I will log in. Click on login. Okay, so here you will see that employee, there's the first employee has logged out, and when he logged out, this is the time of that one. And then I will see the other employee which has not done anything yet, so we will do that as well. If I go to activities, I can add a new activities over here. So let me say I want to add a new activity like SRL cases. I can just click on add and then click on insert here. So SRL cases has been added in the drop down. Then we have reports over here. So there were two activities done by me, by employee one, and then let me just log out. Now let me log in the other, assume the other user is logging in now. So he will enter my email here, manager email, and his email is employee2 and the password. Alright, so now you will see this SRL cases has been added by my manager. So let me just start activity now and say this is ACCXX case number, and I click on submit stop. Let me wait for some more time. Okay, 13-second cases. Here my report will appear. So this is associate number 2 or employee number 2. So let me go to manager and see how everything is reflecting over here. Okay, it's Deloya. All right, so there are two associates or the employees. Their ID is this one, and they have logged out. And let me go to activities now and reports. So you will see the case that I just entered is appearing over here. I can also delete these cases if I want. Okay, so manager has all the control. He can delete the cases. He has to add the activities as well. So let me just go to the PPT now and how it is showing. So here the manager has logged in, and this is how the manager employee logins is appearing. This is how the activity can be added. You can export the data to Excel and reset and log out. All right, so this is a very simple and very basic tool which we can use online, and this is free. So up to, I guess, 5 employees can be added to this one. So you can use this tool and record your data, and if you face any issues, then you can use contact us page over here or comment in the YouTube video. So thank you for watching, and for similar kind of videos you can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.